It is a very important skill that we all must have in order to take Bangladesh to a next level, in order to grab the opportunities around the world. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another episode of Simplify English by Azim Bhai. And yes, I'm Azim Bhai, and I want to help you with your English speaking journey. I want to be with you in this journey. I want to make it easy for you. See, English is a language. You don't have to put too much effort into it in order to capture this skill. And this is a must-have skill in order to compete in the world market, whether it be a business world or in order to communicate with anybody. It is a very important skill that we all must have in order to take Bangladesh to a next level, in order to grab the opportunities around the world. All of our brother and sister must have this skill, and I want to be with you in this journey. So let's do it together and let's simplify. So today I will be talking about pronunciation. Now hear me correctly. I did not say pronunciation. Many of us do this mistake often because I think, in my opinion, we are very familiar with the word pronoun, and the pronunciation spelling is very close to pronoun, so we often mix it up and we say pronunciation. And to make it more confusing, the similar word pronouns, you see how I said it? Pronouns, and this is the correct way. But when it becomes pronunciation, it's not pronunciation anymore. So they're very similar meaning. See, pronouns is a verb. It's an action. I am pronouncing it correctly. Right? এটা আমি এমন ভাবে উচ্চারণ করছি যে এটা কারেক্ট হচ্ছে. That is pronouns. But the whole process is called pronunciation. Right? So don't get confused with pronouns and pronunciation. No, it's not pronunciation. It is pronunciation. So pronouns is one word and pronunciation is a separate word. So my hope you will not make this mistake anymore. From now on, you will say pronunciation. My pronunciation is not correct. You can say that way. That way, at least the pronunciation word will be correct for you. So I hope you will not make this mistake anymore. And it's not only you, trust me. Many of us have done this mistake again and again. But you have to have someone who kinds of show it to you that you are doing it wrong, so you can correct yourself. And there is nothing wrong with it. So from now on, I'm hoping you will not make this mistake anymore. But today I want to talk about the name of the days. So you might say, Azim Bhai, we know this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What are you teaching us? So let me tell you what I'm going to talk about today. See, oftentimes what happened, we were taught to pronounce these days in one way, but when we go abroad, let's say UK, I'm not sure about the UK, but United States, let's say, if you want to speak with somebody from America and you pronounce the way you were taught as a child, they might not understand you. They might, but they might not understand you. But in order to pick up their pronunciation, this is how you will pronounce. So let's see. Monday. I don't think many of my brothers and sisters from Bangladesh have any problem pronouncing Monday. That's a very simple one. But the problem comes with Tuesday. See how I said it? Tuesday. The U and E sound from the middle, I took it away. They become silent. So that's not Tuesday. We often say Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday is not correct. We have to take the U and E sound out and throw it away and then say Tuesday, like TWO, two, and then add S to it and then say day, Tuesday, right? 1, 2, Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday. And the most difficult, in my opinion, I think is Wednesday. Because we are used to saying it Wednesday. So the D sound goes away from here. That becomes Wednesday. W-E-N. Wednesday. So that's Wednesday, not Wednesday. Thursday. It's not Thursday. It's Thursday. You know how we say thirsty? I'm thirsty. So from thirsty, it's Thursday. And then Friday. And I think many of my brother and sister doesn't have any problem with Friday. That's Monday and Friday, probably the easiest one. Probably Sunday as well. But anyway, that's Friday. And then Saturday. The T sounds become D sound. Saturday. So it's not Saturday. It's Saturday. You can do practice with me, please. And I encourage you do. You listen to me first carefully, how I make the sound, and then you practice right after me. So that's Saturday, and then Sunday. Sunday is pretty simple. Like I said, Monday, Friday, and Sunday are probably the easiest one to pronounce for my brothers and sisters from Bangladesh, from our background. But the rest of them, I hope you will practice with me. And if you practice enough, inshallah, you will get the right pronunciation of this. You'll be very fluent in this. And whenever you say these days in front of a native speaker, they will understand pretty easily. So please practice with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 7 days. 7 days of the week, right? I hope you have 7 days in your place also, in a week. The place where I am, we have only 7 days in a week. I'm just joking with you. I think most of the world has only 7 days a week. I don't know any country or any place where they have more than 7 days a week. I could be wrong. If there is any, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know where in the world they have more than 7 days a week, right? We often joke around here. Whenever the work is too much and we have too much workload, we say, I wish there was more than a 7-day week, right? I wish there were more than 7 days in a week, but there are only 7 days in a week. I can do only so much. So if there are any country where they have more than 7 days in a week, please do let me know. I would love to know and maybe go there as well. But anyway, so please practice with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days in a week. So please practice with me. And if you practice enough, I'm sure in no time you will pick up the right pronunciation of these days. Right pronunciation. Yes, pronunciation. Yes, it's pronunciation. Yes, I was just joking with you. Deliberately, I made this mistake 3 times. So you can say, I got you. Remember this phrase, I got you? I mentioned in my last video, meaning you just caught me making a mistake. So I did that deliberately. I hope you got me there. So it's not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. I hope you will never make this mistake ever again. Make sure you say pronunciation, not pronunciation. All right. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. I'll see you next time, inshallah. Stay home, stay safe, and we'll catch you later, inshallah. Meaning, we'll catch up later on. We'll talk again, inshallah. That's what. So I'll catch you later. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.